to go down?
Adjust it. Tap the board up or down. Okay, good job. Now keep going up or down until you get it right where it needs to be.
There.
Okay, we're good there. All right, why don't you, I'll hold it. Get your drill.
Are you doing the video?
I sure am. Get your drill. Okay, get your drill.
Good, there isn't any plastic here. Can I sit here?
Yep. You can't do that. Okay, yeah, that might work. Remember, yep. Push with the back hand. You want to tell everybody what where you got that drill?
Christmas?
Is it yours?
Yes.
You did good. You like it? All right, we got more to do, right? What are we building?
Kidding pens.
Yep, we're gonna build a few more here. Have a couple ready, and
we don't have any ready yet.
we're gonna have a couple ready, right? That's what we're gonna get.
Right, today?
Get these two done. Oh yeah. And where did we get this wood from?
Our old shed from like the 1970s.
30s, probably.
Like when they brought
Yeah.
the 1970s.
So we're using this old wood that was stored up in the loft in the roof part.
What? It was from. I didn't even know that thing had a loft.
It's not really a loft, but it was wood that was on the stored up top. So it's pretty old. It's pretty hard, right?
Yep.
All right. You ready to do more?
Yep.
Good. Excellent. Oh, you're going to do it yourself. All right, go for it.
How many does that one already have?
It will need another one, but you can go ahead and do it. Remember, same thing. Kind of punch. No. You don't want to put. Yeah. Put it down here. Right here. Yep. You don't want them to be next to each other. All right, go.
I can do it on my own.
Okay. We
Wait,
can do it on our own. Remember, you got to put some force to get that started so it bites. So that oak is really hard. It's a red oak.
Is it harder than oak?
It is oak.
Well, I mean, why is it called red
I don't
oak?
know what's harder, red oak or white oak. He's trying. All right, keep going. Look at that. There we go. Easy peasy.
I just switched it to level 2.
Yep.
Still fully charged.
You did good, sweetie. Yep, you're ready to do more. All right, we'll get back to it.